Hi everyone, I'm going to make a fabric flip today for my journal that I'm working on, and I figured I'd take you along. So it's a shabby chic, so I have this pretty pink and I'm going to put some laces with it, I think. So this is a doily I had that I used to have in my bedroom when I was a teenager, so it's old, and I think I will put that on too as a fabric flip. So I will cut this. I like to do usually about maybe 4 or 5 pieces of fabric if I can. Okay, so let's see how that looks. That looks okay. And then let's add some of this. I have this pretty cream lace. We can add that. That's a really pretty piece for something. So we can add this, and I'll just take some of this off. Let's see. Okay, so we got the cream, the white, the pink. See how we want to layer this. This might look pretty like this. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got some cream eyelet lace. Let's use some of that. This will be pretty. I don't have any, well, let's see. I might have another pink thing. Hold on. I was going to say I don't have any pink fabric other than that one, but I do have this. This is a pink, pretty pink lace. So let's cut some of this too. I certainly have enough. That's for sure. You have enough until you don't. Use up your pretties. I don't care. I'm using up my pretties. I'm so sick of them just being in bags, you know, and then, you know, everything's in a bag because it's so pretty and you never use it. And what's the point? So take your pretties out and use them. All right. Let's see. This is pretty. Okay. I think I'll cut it right here. All right, so let's see how we're looking right now. So we got the pink, the cream. Let's do the white, another cream in the pink. I think that's a pretty good amount right there. So I'm going to get it all. I'm going to match it as best as I can. So let's just glue these together. I usually just use Fabri-Tac, but now that my heat gun is out, I'll use that. Just kind of make this as straight as I can. Okay. Okay. So let's just cut this side of it. This side's a little bit too much. Let's just cut this. Okay, that's looking good. And we can just cut a little bit of the top here, make it even. That looks good. So let's put it in the book. Let me open a page here. Let's see, where can I stick this? Oops, sorry about that. All right, so let's stick it in here. Just hot glue it. And we need something in the middle. So I think that flower would look cute. Let's put that in the middle. And I have one of these little pink cabochons, flatbacks I got from Hobby Lobby. So let's put that in the middle. So we have this cute little fabric flip. You got the little flower there. It's kind of blending in too much, but you got the little flower. And then you got your little flips of fabric. See? So it's a cute little fabric flip. And you know what? Let's distress the flower just a little bit to bring it out. Bring it out a little bit. That helped it. On my end, that helped. On your end, not so much, but that did help it. So we will let this dry. Let's see. I have some thread here. Do I want to put maybe this hanging down? Let's see how this looks. I might not. A couple of strands maybe. Let's see how that would look if I put some of that on the edge. I actually think that's kind of pretty. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. That's kind of pretty. Okay, so let's put that on the edge. There you have it. I think that looks really cute. Let's just make sure it's not stuck. With a little bit. Let me just make sure. Pull it up. All right, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. And that's my little fabric flip. Thanks for joining me. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.